Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video is a zigzag. It's super easy. You just need to have a little bit of patience when you're doing your zigzags or they can kind of get all over the place, right? Thanks for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, well, let's get you down and show you how I did this zigzag. Bye for now. Bye. Hi everyone. All right, so we're going to do another stripe and then taking a tool and making lines through it. But instead of going back and forth like this, it's gonna be up and down like here. So my colors today are gonna be purple, violet. I'm using the Ready Mix pouring paints because they're nice and thick. And then crimson, and then also this aqua green. So those are going to be the colors that I'm going to be utilizing, with pearl or metallic white in between each one of them. So before I get that started, I am going to go ahead and wet my canvas a little bit with this paint that I have. And it's just Dick Blick's paint, white Dick Blick's paint and water. It's pretty much a 3 parts paint to 2 parts water, more for a Dutch pour, but I have some around, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just get the canvas completely covered in white, so that way there's not canvas showing if I accidentally miss something. So anyway, that's why I'm doing it. I just want it to be wet. And I could use probably water. That would work too, but I have this extra right here and it's white and it just covers the canvas nice. So let's just use it. All right, put that out of the way over here, and then let's get started with the white, pearl white or metallic white down this. That's white. Let's start with purple. I'm going to go fairly slow. I kind of want it to be as straight as I possibly can make it. Obviously, but then my hand's in the way. My paint was in the way. So I'm going to go ahead and go down again with white. And hopefully it'll bleed together. I think I'll do the green next. White. And I'm hoping that these fill themselves in, right? We'll see. I don't get it perfect. Be straight or get enough on the canvas. Oh, big blob there. Darn it. Over that with white. like to do a blue one, but I don't have enough blue. So I thought, well, let's just do some fun colors. Purple and red always seem to go really well together. And then I wanted a little pop of blue or green. Oops, white. So after purple is green. White. And I may fast forward this and I may not. It just kind of depends. Get it maybe started and then fast forward it for you. This would be kind of cool with red, white, and blue. Huh. I'll have to do that. I may have to do that one for 4th of July. Red. And purple. And then we'll do one more white on the side there. And then we'll be ready to go. Whoops, got a little too close there. Scraped the canvas. There we go. Okay. Hoofda. What's on the other side of purple, red? I wonder if I should do red on here. Okay, so I'm gonna put these out of the way, and now I'm gonna go back and forth, back and forth. So that's my plan. Shoot. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm thinking that there is some stripes that are a little thicker than others or a little thinner, and so I'm just trying to touch it up just a little bit. With this type of design, you just need to take your time. As you can see, I kind of went a little quick there and then it kind of bowed. So just take your time when you're doing your zigzags. Here's just a piece of something that got in the paint that I'm just trying to dig out. Here I'm just filling in a little bit of paint to where I can see the canvas where I didn't get quite enough paint on it. Here I am just taking my brush and cleaning up the sides a little bit. Now I'm stretching the paint just a little bit just to come up over top of that red that I just spread out, but I don't want to do it too much because I have not liked it when I've stretched it too much. Okay, here I'm thinking that it needs something more. So I'm going to add some wave look to this in the same technique that I used to do the zigzags with. So yeah, I like this one a lot. So I would say I love this one. So be curious to see how this one turns out, especially with the ready mix pouring paint because it's glossy, which is super cool. All right, thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.